All right, good evening. How you guys doing? Everyone doing good? Excellent. So, let's make sure that everything is going here. Perfect. So as you saw by the title, I am going to be looking at a drink review. This is going to be a drink review. This is going to be the Margaritaville Margarita Drink Mix. Zero sugar, artificially flavored, low calorie, naturally and artificially flavored, low calorie. Sip from a full bottle of water to make room for powder. That's what I've done already. Pour one stick of water into a water or large glass. Shake bottle or mix well until powder dissolves. Ingredients are citric acid, long name, salt, natural flavor, aspartame. That's going to kill me. Contains 2% or less of the following: something potassium, sucrose, gum, pencentin. God, I can't even speak today. Artificial color, magnesium oxide, and yellow 5. Adds a trivial amount of sugar. Which is the star? Which one? Oh. Maltodextrin. So, it does have a little bit of that sugar flavor. It does have a little bit of the aspartame, which I'm not a fan of. But because it is a margarita mix, non-alcoholic, we're going to do something a little different tonight. We're going to do a double review, I guess. Which one is better? So, have a look at that torn open. First and foremost, into the water it goes, into the bottle, shake up the bottle, and what we've got here is an ugly lime green looking drink, which looks kind of like a margarita. Probably freeze it, probably would look more like a margarita. So, open it up, the smell. Lots of lime coming off of there. It actually smells really good. There's a lot of lime coming off of there. Even though it doesn't say there's any lime in it. Well, first taste, cheers. So that taste of sugar, it's in there. It kills the aspartame flavor, which is nice. And it has sort of that margarita kind of mix, but it's a little bit on the sweet side. I'm used to my margaritas being a little bit more bitter. So, that being said, we like margarita, don't we? I love margaritas around here. Margaritas are one of my favorites. And I got rid of my triple sec. But have no fear. Glass. I have Blanco Tequila Espanol Explosion. 100% pure agave out of Mexico. As you see, I've been drinking a lot of it. Actually, this has been in my office for a while. There's a lot of dust forming off of there. I haven't had this in a long time. So, let's... There's that smell of tequila. Love it. You know what? I have to do a bottle recycling soon anyway, so might as well add that to my pile. Got my tequila there. Nice bitterness off of there. Ooh, very smooth. Now, we're going to turn this into a margarita. Alcoholic one. Aggressively pour it so that we mix the tequila in there. Don't have to spin it, stir it, or anything else like that. The smell, that sweetness and lime dialed back. But you know what? Is it going to be tasting like a margarita? Let's get into it. Cheers. Ooh. Oh boy. Huh. So, does it taste like a margarita? No. Triple Sec's not there, so you don't have that margarita flavor. But that margarita artificial margarita flavor from this is still there. What's not there, and it's very dangerous that it's not there, is the tequila flavor. It is very well masked, very well hidden, and very dangerous. Because I could drink this really quickly and not know that there's tequila in there. Have a few of these, you'd be flat on your ass. Because that was at least a 2-ounce pour. It's very well hidden. You do have a little agave in there. But, damn. That's dangerous. So which one's better? You know what? With the tequila, it does dial back the flavor, the sweetness, and everything else in there. I like it better. It's also got tequila in there, so I mean that's a bonus right there. But by itself, just in that water bottle itself, it's decent. It works. But like this, ooh, Throw some ice around somewhere. Throw it into a blender. Throw it back into here, and say goodnight, Gracie. Maybe half the water and put the ice in. Say goodnight, Gracie. Wow. I like that. I like that a lot. So, tell me, have you had that drink before? The tequila, have you had that one before? What do you think of it? I like it. I need a new bottle. The Margaritaville powdered mix for water, not bad. I do like it a little bit on the sweet side, but at the same point in time, it's good. It kind of gives you the craving, but I always, like, I've had this before, and I've wanted to try it with tequila, and now I'm really, really glad I did. So, by itself, just with the water, 6.5 out of 10. With the tequila, masking it, 8.5 out of 10. Wow, that's just gorgeous. So, until next time, I am Dan, aka the Western Canadian Reviewer, saying cheers, stay frosty. We'll see you real soon. Thanks again for joining, and I definitely need more tequila. It's summer days, and I need more tequila margaritas. Tequila sunrises are my go-to. And summer vacation is coming up real soon. Cheers, stay frosty. We'll see you real soon. Thanks again for joining. Have yourselves a wonderful and safe evening.